Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to use your YouTube premium gift card on the YouTube. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome, and after that you have to search here youtube.com and then slash. After that you have to write redeem and then paste on the enter button. So now you can see the screen is appearing here. Redeem your code, and then you have to enter your code here, whatever code you have. So I am pasting my code here. As I write my code, and then you have to click on the next button. In my case, this coupon code is already used. If you have latest or updated code, you can paste here and click on the next button. You will get the redeem card, whatever duration you have, 1 month or 2 months. You will get the premium for free at that duration. So I hope you guys understand the video. If you guys like the video, please click on the subscribe button, press on the bell icon, and follow for more videos. See you guys in the next video.